Hello lovely people, so I thought I'd make a video of me making my Sunday dinner. So I'm making chicken wings right now, and as you saw in the beginning, that's the ingredients that I'm using for my chicken wings, and I like to wash my chicken. Now some people would say you don't need to, but I like to. And as you can see, I'm now cutting my wings into half. My knife was a little bit blunt, so I had to pound the chicken wings just to cut them. Anyway, now I'm putting them in a sieve and I'm going to rinse them again, and then I'm going to go on and season them with my seasoning, which is soy sauce and salt, sugar, rice wine, and black pepper. I'm just going to combine everything in that bowl, and I'm also going to be adding some corn flour just for a little crunchiness on the wings. I don't want my wings to be too crunchy. I just want them to have, like, you know, a texture of crunch when I decide to fry them later on. So as you can see, I'm putting in my corn flour now, and I'm putting 2 teaspoons. Then I'm just going to combine that all together, and then I'm going to marinate my chicken wings. And when I marinate them, I like to marinate them overnight. So this video is going to look like it's all happening one day, but no, it's not. I'm just preparing on a Saturday for a Sunday. Why do I prepare my meat like that? Because it just tastes so much more flavorsome later on when you need to cook. Anyway, going on to our pork now. Now the pork joint that I bought, as you can see, is quite big. Now there is only 2 of us eating this, and this was enough to feed at least 7 people. Anyway, moving on to seasoning my pan before I put my pork joint in there, and there wasn't enough rind on the top, so I just had to season it as I would, pretending like I'm gonna get crackling. There wasn't too much crackling, as you can see, but yeah, I'm gonna put that in overnight as well. And I use onions and mushrooms as a base for my gravy that I will make later, and you'll see that on the food at the end of the video. Hope you're still watching. Anyway, moving on, this has been in the oven for an hour and 30 minutes, and then I uncovered it to get it into this golden brownish reddish look, and then I slice up my thing, and as you can see, I've got some macaroni and cheese there. Oh look, I'm frying my chicken wings. Yum. Making my cheese sauce now, and I used 3 cheeses plus coriander in my mix. Then I throw breadcrumbs on, and yeah, that's it. That is my meal, and I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Yummy, yum, yum.